So we're talking about snaffle bits today, and what makes a bit a snaffle bit is that the amount of pressure you pull on the reins is the same amount of pressure the pony feels in his mouth. So if you pull on the reins 1 pound of pressure, the pony will feel 1 pound of pressure on the bit. And so this is not the joint in the middle that makes it a snaffle like some people think, because this bit right here, straight bar, is a snaffle as well because there's no leverage involved. As hard as you pull on the rein, it's how much pressure the pony feels in his mouth. Now the parts of the snaffle are these. We have the rings or the cheeks, and we'll talk about the different kinds of cheeks later. We have the cannon, just like your horse, your bit has cannons. The middle part is the joint, and we'll be talking about the different kinds of joints later as well. And the cannons and the joint together make the mouthpiece. Now to measure a bit, we measure from the inside to the inside. So this is a 5-inch bit, maybe 5 1/4 there. And then to measure the rings, you measure from where you stop with the mouthpiece, you measure the outside, and that's how you measure how big the rings are. And you want the bit, the inside of the bit, the mouthpiece, to be a 1/4 inch wider than the mount's mouth. You don't want a big sloppy bit sliding around in your pony's mouth, and it won't work properly, and it can be uncomfortable for the pony. So this is a snaffle bit with its rings or cheeks, a cannon and joint making the mouthpiece, and you want it a 1/4 inch wider than the mount's mouth.